In this video, I'll show you how to open blocked websites on your iPhone without using any third-party VPN apps. First, open any browser and try visiting a blocked website like TikTok. You'll notice it doesn't open because it's restricted in your region. To fix this, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap General. Then, tap VPN and Device Management. You can also search VPN directly from the settings search bar. Once you're in the VPN menu, tap Add VPN Configuration. In the Type field, select L2TP. In the Description field, enter any name you like. I'll type VPN. Next, open your browser and search for VPN Gate. Click the first link, then choose a free VPN server with good speed and low ping. Copy its server address. Go back to your VPN settings and paste it into the server field. In the Account, Password, and Secret fields, type VPN in lowercase. After filling everything in, tap Done in the top right corner. Now, turn on your VPN by toggling the status switch. You'll see a VPN icon appear at the top bar near your Wi-Fi or network symbol. Once connected, open your browser again, type TikTok, and click on the link. Wait for it to load, and that's it. The blocked website will now open. You can use the same VPN setup to access any other blocked websites without installing third-party VPN apps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.